Hey guys, so today we are going to be celebrating Willow's birthday. This is her second birthday. She's 2 years old, and technically her birthday is like somewhere between like May or June. I think technically it is like May 17th, but we celebrated it last year like on June 17th-ish, but we've been really busy for the past week, so now we're finally celebrating it where we have like a whole free day. So we decorated it and everything like last year, but the first thing that I need to do is make her cake. And so for her cake, I'm going to be using this Bochi's, I think it's Bochi's, birthday cake bake at home cake mix. Willow's excited, she's got her bandana. But yeah, we decided to get a cake mix just because I never know like what flavors to do for all her different desserts we make her, and I wanted to do something different. And there was a bunch of different brands of birthday cake, but we really like this one. We always use it for her treats and stuff. And there's even a pup-friendly frosting, but it has a lot more stuff, and we won't really do a lot of frosting today. But yeah, so I have all the stuff I already need, but I pretty much only need like a half a cup plus a teaspoon of water, and then 3 tablespoons of olive oil. But here is the cake mix. It's just like a regular one, and it says that it is cranberry, blueberry, and vanilla. So yeah, just keep this here. See the instructions. I already have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So pretty much like any cake mix, I'm gonna like mix everything together to form it. And we bought the cake mix off Amazon, and not a lot of people have bought it. There was a few reviews, but it looks like the cake will turn out pretty good. And like I said, she eats the brand of those treats all the time, so we know it's like pretty good and definitely good for her. And then just add in my oil and my water, and then I'm going to whisk everything together. And then the pans I'm going to be using, I have this little Hello Kitty shaped one. I thought that would be cute because we aren't going to be making much of a frosting, probably just like peanut butter. So it won't matter because we won't be covering the top much. So here we go. I have it all mixed together, and it is pretty doughy. It's more like a cookie dough, and you can see like the cranberries or blueberries all mixed in there. So yeah, I'll see how much I can fit in this pan. It says to like pour it in there, but it's more like just scooping it in. So here it is in my pan, a little Hello Kitty. It's pretty thick, so I'm not even worried about pouring out. Now I'm ready to bake this for 25 to 28 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and if I need to, I will bake it longer, but yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Here is the cake out of the oven, and it looks pretty good. And now well, before I put it on my plate, I'm gonna put like a little bit of frosting, not too much though. I want to put it a little farther back because I have this birthday cookie we got her, and I want to like kind of put it on the plate. I'll probably just have it laying down instead of standing up. But yeah, I'll see how far back. First thing I'm going to do is I have my frosting here. It's peanut butter and some cream cheese. And then I'm going to start outlining like the face. I'll use this as a guide because on some places you can't really tell. So now I'm sitting over here where everything is decorated. We have all these balloons which keep falling because they were put up with tape. It says Happy Bark Day. And then here's the other decorations as well. Here's the cake, of course. We got these really cute plates and napkins from Pop Shelf. And then there's this balloon here. Willow's being very impatient. She wants her cake. And then her presents over here. And this cute tablecloth. But yeah, so I'm gonna do the cake first because she keeps crying and she wants her cake. She's really sad. She smells it. And so she's getting all nervous. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna see if I can cut into it in any way. Look, here's your cake, Willow. We're not even gonna let you eat the whole thing this time. Because last time she or her whole slice she gobbled up. Look, it's for your birthday. You gotta make a wish. Make a wish! There you go. I'll try and cut it with this knife first and see how it works. Okay, it kind of works. Oh wow. This is what the inside looks like. Let's cut you a little slice and put it on a plate. There we go. That's okay. Oh, someone's very excited. Oh, there's a strawberry. Oh, spit it out. Here, take a bite. There you go. You like it? Gotta get everything on there. There you go. Just got it on her nose. Take a bite. It smells pretty good. Why don't you want the strawberry? You don't want the strawberry? Look, what if I put some frosting in it? There you go. Oh! There you go. Look, your plate. Oh, she really likes frosting. There you go. Alright, so now I'm gonna go, or I'll just set this to the side for now and then clean my hands so we can open her presents. Okay, now I'm ready to open her presents. We'll see if she stays here. She keeps getting distracted by everything. But maybe if I put out the snacks first. It's one of these Bochi's Bakery birthday cake, and it's peanut butter, carob, and vanilla. She likes these. We got her these last year too. Hopefully these keep her. There. Oh, we actually got two. We got two of them. Put them in her little treat jars. And then let me do all the treats first. And then we got her two of these different training bits. We bought these off Chewy, and they're salmon and chicken recipe. And then we got her some toys. And this one is from the Bark brand, and it's a little cactus. But then it has like a harder toy inside, because that's how they always have their toys. Oh, but it has a name, Consuela the Cactus. Oh yeah, it says spiky ball, rip and reveal. Which she'll probably like that because she always has those spiky balls. So I didn't even know that was in here, so that's perfect. And then we got this little birthday cake toy from Zippy Paws. I used to get her Zippy Paws toys all the time, but she always rips them up, of course. But yeah, this one's more like stuff. And then in this box, there is a dog puzzle toy. And she has one of these before. I don't use it with her often, but yeah, there's two different level trainings. Oh, it opens this way. And then I think this one, oh yeah, you press a button, but I don't think Willow's gonna do that. But she'll at least do the the first level. But yeah, it has all these little things that she can flip open with her nose. She does better with these ones where you move them. That's the type of ones she has. And I guess, oh, this one, I think you put the treats in there, and then when she presses it, it like opens up a hole and it will release them. And so yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see if she'll get, oh, I'm gonna try it. Let's try an easy one. Let's put one in here. Break it up for you. Put it over here. One in there, one in the slider. Oh, she's gonna come over here. Can you do it? Oh. Okay, she doesn't want to do it. Here you go. She's too distracted. There's too much going on. Yeah. She's having a good birthday party, and that's good. She just wants more food and more treats because it's her favorite. But yeah, I can't believe Willow is already 2 years old and we've already had her for so long. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.